Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami, Sangham Saranam Gacchami. Welcome friends to the live news 5 p.m. I would like to wish all of you on occasion of the birth anniversary of Lord Gautama Buddha today. Today is a very special day for Bihar because the entire Buddhism, Gautama Buddha, the life of Gautama Buddha and the Buddhism is attached with Bihar. And we have the privilege to say Gautama Buddha had arrived in Bhagalpur district of Didan, Andhra Pradesh several times during his lifetime. So there are many things which is still bearing the memories of Gautama Buddha. Friends, when the entire world today celebrating the birth anniversary of Lord Gautama Buddha, the Andhra Pradesh, that is Bhagalpur, also has the privilege to remember the great soul of the decade. Gautama Buddha visited this Bhagalpur several times. He first visited Vadaria village, which is presently located under Amarpur block of Banka district. And it was the time when Bimbisar was on the throne of Magad. Gautama Buddha was a guest in the house of one Medak, Srishti, that is a very big businessman at the time. Medak assigned his 7-year-old daughter Visakha to look after Gautama Buddha and his men there. Later on, Visakha became a famous nun and she was known among the Buddhist monks as Mrigal Mata Visakha. And the second time, Gautama Buddha visited the Champa, the ancient kingdom of Andhra Pradesh, along with some 500 Bodh monks. He stayed beside a very beautiful picturesque water reservoir called Gargara Pushkarini, which presently is located outside Bhagalpur city. During the stay of Gautama Buddha near Gargara Pushkarini, there was religious discourses, and one such discourses, Buddha's very close disciple Sariputra preached the Suttar Sutra, the famous Bodh philosophy among the Buddhist monks there. This incident was mentioned by the foreign traveler and historian Wenson when in his travelogue who visited India and Champa during the time of Harshavardhan. Friends, Gautam Buddha during his lifetime had only visited six big cities, and Champa was one of them. One of them was big city at that time. Gautam Buddha during his visit to Saharsa, he stayed and spent some time near Kajangal, which is known as Rajmahal of Jharkhand district, of Jharkhand state. There was a very wise Buddhist nun known as Kajangala there, who used to preach Buddhist philosophy at that time, and Gautama Buddha was very much impressed with the wise and the thoughts of a knowledge of that very hermit Kajangala. Raman Sinha, senior faculty member of history of Tilkamaji Bhagalpur University, and Shiv Shankar Singh Parijat, historian, claimed that Gautama Buddha at the time spent some time near a big water reservoir, which later after named as Bodha Singh Jhil, and it is located just beside the half excavated site of Vikramshila World University. Professor Sinha and Mr. Parijat, they also claimed that after some 800 years after the death of Gautama Buddha, the great Pala King Dharmapala, who established Vikramshila World University, beside that place where Gautama Buddha once spent his time to commemorate the visit. Andhra Pradesh had the privilege to witness such golden happenings. Along with it also contributes for spreading, for enriching Buddhism. Friends, you may be aware, the great King Ashoka, who contributed much for Buddhism in India and abroad, was very much impressed from his mother, whose name was Subhadrangi. And Subhadrangi was from this Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh had contributed lots for Buddhism also in ancient times. Vikramshila is the classical example of refurnishing and re-establishing of Buddhism. It was pioneer of social reconciliation, and today's Buddhism in the world is existing just because of Vikramshila and some of its great scholars like Dipankar Sriganatisa. The rituals and other decorums of today's Buddhism have been copied from the old dictionaries of Vikramshila. But friends, very unfortunately, nothing has so far been taken or done here like other places for protecting such golden memories of Buddha and Buddhism here. Vikramshila has yet not been attached in both the circuit, nor there is any progress for establishing a proposed central university here. Earlier, on 2015, the central government has approved a central varsities in the name of the ancient Vikramshila World University here. But the state government yet not arrange proper land for the proposed central varsity here. Friend, in association of the golden memories of the ancient time, this place still has enough tourism potentialities. Hundreds of tourists from abroad visit Vikramshila every year, but since the place yet not been included in Bodh circuit, tourism yet not has the opportunity to enjoy benefits like Bodh Gaya or Nalanda. When the place has immense tourism potentiality more than other places in Bihar. So, including Vikramshila in Bodh circuit and UNESCO's World Heritage Site would be the best tribute to Gautam Buddha. Also establishing the proposed central varsity here, the lost glory of Andhra Pradesh would not only been restored, but the fate of this otherwise sleepy backward region could also be changed. Thank you.